One of our most powerful features is the Find Companies feature within the People Finder in Cleanlist. So you can do this manually, or you can do what I like to do and use the Copilot automatically. They actually have some examples here that we've loaded in. So for example, Series B, B2B SaaS in California with a 50 to 200 employee headcount. I'm just gonna run this search as an example, and you'll see that it instantly returned 695 companies. So here on the column section, if you click the I button, you can expand to the 31 data points that we give you with every single company search. So it can tell you the revenue band, when they were founded, if they're private or public, categories, description. It even gives you followers, follower growth, their last funding round, how much they got, any kind of employee growth, when they were last funded, investors, and when it was last updated, so you see that the data is not stale. Right? So there's plenty that you can do from here. You can either add these companies to a list. So I'm gonna add, let's say, 100 companies. So now they're added to a list, but you can also use this very powerful functionality where if you see a company that you specifically want to target, let's pick, for example, Jiffy AI, you can simply hit Find Contacts, and it will auto-run a people search on all of the job titles and all of the people working at Jiffy AI, right? So from here, you can filter by certain job titles and more, or you can select who you want to add to a people list, whatever you want to do. You can even reveal their contact info directly on the people search screen. Right, so there's so much that you can do within Cleanlist. You can add these specific people into a list after whatever you want to do. Now, if you navigate back to the Companies tab, that was just one example on Jiffy AI. You can either export all these companies and just run them on People Search with the relevant titles to get your full ICP profile, or you can tweak this in any way. For example, you want to specify the headcount to be 100 to 200. You can do that as well. So whatever you want, that's why the manual filters are here. But again, my favorite is to just use Copilot and prospect it yourself.